Today's cryptic crossword clue is grow closer to Hannah with time shared between 8 and 10. And this clue's definition is grow. Our answer will be another word for grow, and we'll get it through the wordplay, which is closer to Hannah with time shared between 8 and 10. And when you see 8 and 10, you should be thinking about substitution, because obviously we can't put these digits in our answer. We're going to need to substitute them with something. And the first port of call for number substitution in cryptics is Roman numerals. So you might try and substitute 8 with VIII. That seems pretty bad. What's our answer going to have? 3 I's and a V in it. And then 10 would substitute with X. So now we've got an 8-letter answer with an X, 3 I's and a V in it. This doesn't seem like the right approach. So we've got to find some other kind of substitution for 8 and 10. And you might notice that it could actually be between 8 and 10. Between 8 and 10 is 9. So maybe we're just putting the letters N-I-N-E in there. That seems pretty promising. And then you go a bit before that and you have with time shared. So what you've got with time shared 9. And the only word there that seems instructive, that seems kind of like an indicator, is shared, but that doesn't really work. Time shared 9, it's not quite there. We could make that instruction more instructive by doing time shared between. And so now we've got to lose our idea of 9. What would it mean if time was shared between 8 and 10? Well, what happens if we substitute 8 and 10 with their actual spellings? 8, E-I-G-H-T, and 10, and what if they shared the T? Time in cryptic crossword clues is often represented just by a T. So if T is shared between 8 and 10, we get 8-en. We just need one letter to go on the start, and we get it from closer to Hannah, which is actually closer to Hannah. The closer to the word Hannah is its last letter, an H, giving us the word heighten. And if something grows, say in intensity, it heightens.